David, Paul, James, John, Timothy, Tom, Dermot, Simon, Quentin, Sandra, Jennifer, Don't make me go there! So, I'm going to predict your job. I work in a butcher shop. You do. I can see it now. Pork chops? Steaks. You work in meat. You do work in meats. You definitely work in meats. Let me magic you up there! Stop! Stop! Sorry about that, guys. Sorry, you're all safe. You're all safe. Apologies about that. There's some dark magic up there. Cocaine. Anyway, you definitely work in a butcher shop. You've never worked in a butcher shop. You want to work in a butcher shop? You're studying to become a butcher. Yeah, you're right.
I wonder, it might be a good idea to talk about it now because we can see it very close. You know the signs, and you see that if you want to come a little bit closer, if you look at street signs or whatever, they're always bilingual. Yeah, because Ireland, do you want to come over next?
Kein Plan.
Butcher shop outside of Ireland. What do you do? That's like the butcher shop for drinks. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, that's what I felt. Yeah. The butcher shop. You're like, here, have a butcher shop.